Hello, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of natural cleaning with 5 DIY natural cleaners for a chemical-free home. And make sure to stick around until the end, where we'll unveil a bonus cleaner as an extra treat that you won't want to miss. Before we start mixing up these fantastic natural cleaning concoctions, let's talk about why making the switch to natural cleaners is so vital. Many commercial cleaning products contain a laundry list of harsh chemicals that can have adverse effects on both your health and the environment. By using natural cleaners, you're not only safeguarding your family's well-being but also reducing your carbon footprint. Our first natural cleaner is a versatile powerhouse that can tackle almost any cleaning task. Here's what you'll need. A high-quality spray bottle, 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil for a delightful scent. Combine the ingredients in your spray bottle, give it a gentle shake, and voila! You've just created an effective all-purpose cleaner that's safe to use on countertops, sinks, glass surfaces, and even as a floor cleaner. The baking soda helps to scrub away stubborn stains, while the essential oil provides a pleasant fragrance. In these times when disinfection is crucial, our second DIY cleaner provides a natural and safe solution. Here's what you need. A top-quality spray bottle, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, at least 70%, 1 cup of distilled water, and 10 to 15 drops of tea tree or lavender essential oil, known for their potent antibacterial properties. Mix these ingredients in your spray bottle, and you've got yourself a powerful disinfectant that's safe for your family and the environment. It's perfect for doorknobs, light switches, countertops, and any frequently touched surfaces. The tea tree or lavender oil not only adds a pleasant scent but also enhances the disinfecting power. Now, let's move to the heart of the home, the kitchen, and talk about our third cleaner that'll help you combat those stubborn grease stains. You'll need a high-quality spray bottle, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix these ingredients in your spray bottle, and you'll have a potent cleaner for your kitchen appliances, countertops, and even the inside of your microwave. The lemon juice not only adds a refreshing scent but also helps cut through grease and grime, making your kitchen sparkle. Bathrooms can be a breeding ground for germs, but our fourth DIY cleaner has you covered. Here's what you'll need. A high-quality spray bottle, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, half a cup of baking soda, and 10 to 15 drops of eucalyptus or lemon essential oil. Combine these ingredients in your spray bottle, and you'll have a natural bathroom cleaner that can tackle soap scum, water stains, and more. Plus, the essential oils leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean, while the baking soda helps scrub away tough stains and build up. Our fifth DIY cleaner is for crystal clear windows and mirrors without streaks. You'll need a high-quality spray bottle, 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix these ingredients in your spray bottle, and you'll be amazed at how well it cleans glass surfaces without the harsh chemicals found in commercial alternatives. Say so long to those annoying streaks. The cornstarch gives the cleaner some added oomph when it comes to removing fingerprints and smudges. As promised, here's a bonus DIY natural cleaner, an air freshener that'll leave your home smelling delightful. You'll need a small, high-quality spray bottle, half a cup of distilled water, half a cup of vodka. Yes, vodka, and 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix the ingredients in your spray bottle, and you have a natural air freshener that can be used in any room. The alcohol helps the scent linger longer, and you won't find any artificial fragrances here. This air freshener is not only great for your home but also for your car or office. These natural cleaners are not only safe and effective but also cost-effective and eco-friendly. We hope these DIY natural cleaner recipes help you create a safer, cleaner, and more sustainable home. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more eco-conscious tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. For more all-natural cleaning tips, click here to watch 7 surprising cleaning hacks using common household items. Until next time, stay green and stay clean.